Hello and welcome to Daily Date video. In this video, we will see the quick review of Acronis True Image 2016 software. It's been quite some time since I have used any backup softwares with my computer. 5 years before, when I was using Windows 7 computer, I was using Acronis at that time. It was there with minimal features, but right now the features are really brilliant. There are plenty of features, and the Acronis have simplified it a lot to make it easier for both Mac and Windows users. So we will explore the features one by one. So the primary purpose of this software is to take the backup. Acronis True Image 2016 automates this process, and you have to configure it just once, and you can of course change the destination where your backup have to be stored anytime you want. So the first when you try the Acronis True Image in your Mac computer for the first time, it by default suggests the cloud, which is the Acronis Cloud that encrypts all your data with 256-bit AES encryption, and they store all your data securely. And you can of course easily navigate through the archive, and you can restore them whenever you want. And you can access the backup from different devices you own. For example, your Android device or iPhone or iPad. From anywhere you can access your backup by installing the Acronis True Image 2016 software, and they have made it pretty simpler to use and understand the process of backup and restore with this True Image 2016 software. So here you can see how easy the interface looks like. So here the computer, which is my iMac, which has almost 433 gigabytes of data to backup, and I have currently passed it, and whenever I want I can simply click on the backup button to start the backup process. And I have set up the destination as Acronis Cloud, so automatically the backup will be stored to the cloud whenever I'm online, and I can browse the backup data here. Right now I was like 33 gigabytes of data have been backed up to the cloud. So if I want to change this destination to something else, I can easily configure the backup by clicking on the add backup and changing the destination. If I have any network NAS set up in my network, then it will be shown here, and if I have any external hard disk connected for backup purposes, then it will be displayed here, and I can manually choose the destination as well. So as you can see, I can also optimize the backup, and the settings will allow you to access when the backup should be done, and whether you want to apply encryption or not. And you can also manually choose any files or folders or applications in this console to exclude that particular content and proceed with the backup. And you can also choose the location where your data have to be stored. So mostly the recommended destination is your nearest place or the data center within your country. So always choose the place that is nearest to your country or your country to retrieve the data faster when you try to restore the backup. Alright, the second one is restore, which is the important feature of Acronis True Image 2016 software. Acronis call it as universal restore, which means you can choose which files you want to restore, and which application that you have installed you want to restore, whether you want to include the operating system that have backed up to be included with the restore process or not. So it allows you to choose selectively to before restoring the backup, rather restoring the entire backup to your local hard drive or to the completely new hardware that you have that you want the backup to be restored. So this is one of the important feature that makes this Acronis True Image a pretty advanced software compared to its competitors. The final thing is the Acronis True Image 2016 is very well optimized for the latest Windows 10 computers and the Mac OS X computers as well. So if you are running the OS X El Capitan or any earlier versions, you are very much ready for using this Acronis True Image 2016 software without any compatibility issues. And finally, any type of backup that you want to take and restore will be safe and secure with when you use Acronis. So whether it is a local backup or whether you are taking the backup to the cloud, it'll be encrypted with 256-bit AES encryption, which is very essential in nowadays to protect the backup without tampering it or data corruption or something else. Acronis supports almost all the file systems that we are using nowadays: NTFS, FAT32, EXT234, RazorFS, and Linux web partitions as well. So if you are using Linux partitions which you want to take backup, it is absolutely no problem with this software. That is all. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and I have dropped the link below which contains regular Acronis promotional offers and Acronis discounts that you can find in the description of this video. So feel free to comment below, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.